Hello guys, in late evening here or at the end of USA session, I just want to show you two live trades with Forex 100 pips system strategy in two trades, GBP Canadian. So you see our aim is to make 50 pips here or something, and USD Swiss USD. You see, this is also in the money. So this is how to use it, guys. I explained already, very easy. When you get arrow, not repainted, Forex 100 pips. If you have this 70%, in my experience, you are very safe to take trade. Maybe you can take it with 60, but if you have 70, this is fantastic. So even new traders can use it because there is no something special about it. You see here the arrow. If you have confirmation with this, as I explained, here you need to have red 70%, here green for buy. As higher this percentage is, this is better. So anyone can use it. The goal of this strategy which I made is to make 100 pips daily. So with these two trades we are close to 100. Let's see what we can here. As I said, 50 pips and USD Swiss franc. If we made here 10 pips, and remember we made a trade with gold. Here it was over 50 or higher. If you remember the previous video, guys, we made our goal 100 pips. So this is fantastic to make 100 pips. If you trade, let's say, with two lot size, 100 pips, it is $2,000 profit in one day. But it is your choice, of course, to choose the size. But every day 100 pips, this is the goal, what we want to make with this strategy. This is not repainted foley arrows, so easy to use, very accurate, safe. It can be used on all time frames from M5 up. All assets can be used. You see gold, indices, whatever you have with your broker you can use. Crypto, stocks, everything. Have a nice day. Oh, I forgot to say the most important thing. We have a special price, 100 euro. This is price because the name is 100 pips, so 100 euro today and tomorrow. Today is almost over here. It is 10 o'clock almost p.m. So 100 euro pre-order, early bird price. Early bird price. You can save here 99 euros because after tomorrow the price will be 199. So guys, it would be all for this day. Have a nice day and bye bye.